Is it working? I never can tell if this is working. Oh, okay, it's working. It's just not. Alright, there we go. Hello. Yep, we're doing this. Now, this is what I'll be using to make the game. A lot of things I have here, including a multiplayer test. Because why not? This isn't what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to open a tutorial to do that, because, nice, dude. So, this uses assets from another game. I'm sure you've heard of it. That, I don't know why I have that. That, honestly, I don't know. Oh yeah, there's this. I'm gonna quickly show you some of the other projects I've done. Completely stupid. Oh no. I forgot how broken the ship was in this game. Oh no. Basically, ship's broken, and it doesn't work. Oh my god, it's not even working. So, that's my desktop. So, yeah, let's get this started. Wait, what do I even call this? Game. So, yeah. Where in God's name do I even start with this? I'm assuming we should start with a player. So, why am I trying to click that? Am I crazy? There's a tutorial I want to do for this, so I'm gonna just quickly pull that up. I can pop this out and put it like right here, right? I think I can. And if I click on this, that's gonna fall to the back. Okay, we'll just have that there. See, that's it. So got the page muted, but that's a raid ad that I can't skip. So we'll basically just be following this tutorial for a minute or so, making like players. Yeah, that's really it. And we'll put chat back. I'll unmute this, but I'm gonna turn it down a lot. I could probably pop back out chat.
Welcome to my...
So this won't even be the last tutorial I'm gonna have to watch. I'm gonna leave that open for now.
A little series here where I'm going to show you how to make the game.
Should I? Sorry, I don't normally do any of this, so I'm assuming we could just put it here. I think. Please don't sue me. I want to be sued. And then we can put chat back. Right? What if I like just trying to shrink this into a corner?
Game that you see on screen right now. This series is broken into 6 different parts, and this first part actually has 2 different versions. The version
This
you're on
is
right
not
now
the game
is
we'll be
100%.
making. None of this we will be making. Like, basically, we're going to make the animations, some objects, a simple test world, and then we move on to the multiplayer bit. Oh my god, that's going to be chaos.
It's completely beginner friendly. It'll give you the basics of GameMaker
Okay.
how programming
Project,
GameMaker
creating a
works. You'll
sprite.
get familiarized with the fundamentals, and we will get a player on
we have a
screen that
sprite?
can walk around and run into walls.
Oh, we do.
I do my best
Just
to
gotta
explain
make that.
everything that shows up in this video as thoroughly.
Alright, we're going to pause that, and we're just going to build this whole thing with that. Create object obj player. That I have no idea what I'm doing. This is pretty much all I know is making like simple little games. So this is gonna be hard. That's a live stream right there. I think. No, that's that page. We're looking for that.
And this is it. So this big black box is your room where you can put your different objects and stuff. Over here, you have your layers. Instances are what you would also call
what are we
objects.
setting up? Oh, we're just
Workspace.
placing
We
a
can go ahead and
player.
close
Come on, even I could do that. OBJ player, boom. Now if we boot up the game, there is a screen with a dot. Hooray! We need code now. I'm not good at anything code-wise. I keep closing on the wrong pages. Why?
Out of our room. We don't need it right now. And let's go back to our player object.
Okay,
So
this
now
is the
we are
code.
going to start adding code. Finally, I'm going to minimize that just so we have a little bit more room.
I'm gonna put that on the
so
side
we're
here.
back to the player object. Here we have the event window, and events are the actual places where code is run. X speed equals
yeah, I'm gonna
0.
have to
So this is how you would set a variable.
Create. I'm assuming you do the same for this, right? Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. I might have to get dinner here soon.
You
so
type in
it might
whatever
not be
you
that
want
long.
that variable to be equals whatever value you want it to be, and then end with a semicolon. A variable is just a string of letters. It could be anything that you want it to be as long as it's not some built-in function or constant or whatever in GameMaker. And it will turn blue, which means that, yes, I initialized this. I created this variable called xSpeed. And anytime I reference xSpeed after this in my move.
Oh, that's gonna be useful. Chat constantly disappearing. I'll put it right there.
Speed, and we will set that to
Or I won't.
1. Okay, now that we've set those up, we can close our create event. We're done with it for now, and we can add another event, and this is the step event. So, like I said, the create event only happens at the beginning of the creation of this object. It runs once. It's generally for initializing things, starting things up. The step event runs every single frame of the game. So the step event is mostly what you're going to use to actually do things in your game. So let's get rid of this code. And we're going to do our first function. So I'm actually just going to type this out, and then I'll explain how it all works. So we're going to say right key equals keyboard check vk right and semicolon. So as you can tell, we're actually initializing another variable again.
Okay. So I'm assuming he just does this for like
What this
the rest.
we have variables.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put that back. No, we don't. No, 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 no. Move that. Does enter not work, or am I going crazy? Book. There we go. That's it. That's code.
That hold the value for if you're pressing right, left, up, or down on your keyboard. We're going to be using this to figure out the movement of the character, which direction they should be going, the speed they're going, all that kind of stuff. You may be wondering, I said that you'll generally be initializing variables in the create event. You can do it anywhere. You can, as you can tell, you can do it anywhere as long as you're never referencing a variable you haven't set before you've set it, because then GameMaker doesn't understand. So it doesn't have to be in the create event. Generally, it's a good idea to do it. It would be 1.
Alright, I'm just following a tutorial here because I'm smartent. X speed equal right key minus left key. Wait, so is that it for the code? No, it doesn't work.
So that would equal out to -1, which means if you are adding -1 to an x value, it would actually be going backwards, so it would be going left. This also ensures that if we're pressing both the right and the left key, then it'll equal out to 0 and your character won't move. This isn't finished though. This would work how it is, but we set this movement speed variable. So basically, what we need to do is we need to add parentheses around these two. So we're taking this value that I was just talking about, and then we're going to multiply it with a little star here, multiply it times our move speed. If you're an astute math student, you'll know that this actually doesn't change anything because this value is still only being multiplied by 1. But basically what this means is setting it up this way. If we wanted to change the speed our character moved at, if we wanted to say our character movement speed wanted to be 2, then now the same code is running. Okay, so these are all variables that we have set ourselves. It won't actually do anything. We're just changing our own variables. So now that we have determined what our x speed and y, it's just how you
that makes no sense, but sure. I'm not a math student. X plus equals x speed, y equals x plus, wait, what? It's the same for the y, right? So now it should do something, right? Oh no. Those are inverted, but we're getting somewhere. Would you look at that, guys? We have a moving pink blob. Now, another thing we can do is input a shift key, which equals keyboard check GK shift. And then we just can we just do if shift if e equals true, which that's a colon. Move. And then we could put an else. Move. Equals 1. See that? That is running. Now, if only we could, so I know there's a way we can generate text, so what if we made a variable in the create called stamina? Stamina equals, we'll say 2. And the step event, we will, so stamina equals stamina minus 0.2. We'll say that's what it does. And same goes for here, but plus. We're really animating here. But I'm never really, alright, so then we just need to make another object. Obj stamina test. And then we could use a draw event and, oh shoot, I actually don't know, hold on. Draw text x, y, then we use stamina by player. Bar. So we'll just use this and draw that. There we go. Then we go to room 1. And we can put this right here. I failed to put global stamina. So this actually needs to be changed to global stamina equals global stamina. And then the same goes for here. Is there any way we could cap that? Else if global stamina does not equal 2. Then we do that. Else move speed just equals 1. It kind of goes down pretty fast. Well, what if we put it at 0, 1? Okay. still kind of fast. Not fast. It needs to be just a bit faster. 0.05. I put an extra decimal there for some reason. That's kind of fast still. Let's put 3s. Okay, that's better. Now, if, and, well, technically we can do this, and then global stamina does not equal 0. That fixes it. We, uh, oh, I screwed up. And there. What? Oh, that's not good. Still going underneath. Is less or equal to 0. Shift doesn't work. Is bigger, which is that. Yeah, it's that. Am I okay? Down there, it's kind of having a. That's not good. I'll have a bar anyways, eventually. Yeah, we're adding stamina. Uh. Well, another thing we can do. And then we can put another else if. Global stamina equals. Well, equals is less or equal to 0. Then we'll make another variable here. No. And that will be equal to 0. No. No, it's just not happening, and yeah. How long has the stream gone for? Nice, 24 minutes. We barely have anything. Next, we, in here, and we set no to 1. And no equals 1 equals 0. That, we should have 0.0 30. Or 0.03. What? No is set. Everything is set. My speed. What did I accidentally do? Confusing. 0.035. Each way it's still fast. And no equals 0. We could probably rework this. So let's delete this whole else if stuff. If 15 equals true and 0 and no, we don't need no yet. And no equals 0. Now, else we can just move speed. This should just be the basis of it, but it's hard capped. How did it get hard capped? Huh. Alright, I'm gonna quickly look up how to. So, pulled up Reddit because can't find up anything else. Equals min. Wait. Huh? Real map. That didn't work. Nope. So what if we take this then? It clamped it, but but we're still running. So what I think we could do is else if uh if and greater we want it to be, and then for test we'll set no to 1. I accidentally so wait, it's okay, so we could set global stamina to 2 now, right? It's stuck. It's stuck. 0 is still lower than 0.03. Then what is less than or equal, less than or to okay, so it's not going up. Because that should be increasing, but it's not. Why? Like, it's... Okay, I press... Okay. Now this won't work. Why? Coding is confusing. Unless this is true. But we want this to be overruled by this. So what if we just... Okay, it's low and it's not working. What if we put or? Yeah, you can tell that it's not working. But we don't want them to run forever, so So, how do we do this? I don't know. Well, what if we don't need this? Nope. Hard capped, but well, forever now. What if we bring back the and? Wait, no, that won't work. Oh, I know the issue. We'll set no to 1. Oh, I physically typed set. Right, okay. And no equals 0. Right? Ah, exactly. It's not even, no. Well, it only should activate if this is too confusing. Well, for now that's it. Gonna probably work on this later tonight. Anyways, bye.